Team Fullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Kick Off my canal. So, I'm about to do a simple DIY deep conditioner. So I want to do a deep conditioner on my daughter's hair because I took out some old braids and I washed the hair, and so I thought it's time to do some DIY deep conditioner. So actually today I was not really in the mood to kind of blend things, do anything, and I thought, you know what, I have some conditioner at home, I have my hair oil, I have some raw honey, let me just fix something and use this as a deep conditioner. So this is the reason why I love having different type of conditioner at home for those lazy days that I don't feel like blending avocado, egg and stuff like that. So I can actually just mix some of these things and do a simple, also a very effective hair conditioner at home. So this is what I'm about to do. So these conditioners that I'm using, I pick all of them up from the TK Maxx. If you have been following me now for a long time, you know I normally go to TK Maxx to look for some hair products, and they do have some amazing conditioner. I also pick up this Jamaican black castor oil hair mask, but I've used this on the kids' hair several times. So today I just wanted to try something different, and I wasn't actually in the mood of DIY anything. So I thought, you know what, let's just use what we have. And this conditioner combined together, adding my onions hair growth oil that I DIY, trust me, it's really amazing. So I'm just kind of adding a little bit of conditioner, a little bit of everything, nothing fancy. This is just stuff that I have in my house, and I'm just adding this other conditioner in this white container, this big one. I think I have two. I have a backup. As you guys can see, the one standing there is a backup. I really love this conditioner. It has this minty thing to it. It's like when I have the shampoo and the conditioner. This one, it's amazing. Like this conditioner, it's amazing. The shampoo, it's amazing. Every time I go back to the TK Maxx, I look for it, but I don't see it. Sometimes they do have it, sometimes they don't have it. The last time I went there, they have it. I pick up like 3 bottles of the conditioner and 2 of the shampoo. So that is the only shampoo that I have been using now for quite a while. So the conditioner, this is my second bottle. As you guys can see, I have the third bottle standing there, and I've been really kind of like stingy with this particular conditioner. Reasons why, if I go, I don't see it, I purchase another one because I love this conditioner. When you wash your hair with this particular conditioner and shampoo, it leaves your hair feeling so clean, and the minty thing gives your hair this little mini sensation, and it just feels amazing. So I've been really stingy with it. Every time I go back, I'm looking if they have it, but they don't have it. And you can actually purchase it online, but it's quite an expensive one if you purchase online. But I still have one as a backup. If it's finished and I can't find anything on TK Maxx, I'm definitely going to purchase this online because it is an amazing conditioner. They do sell it in the African hair store. They do sell it there. It sells for like 20 something euros on its own, but I purchased it at the TK Maxx for like 12 or 13 euros, which of course that's a huge difference. So now I'm going to add my onions hair growth oil. So this oil, I tend to use it more when I'm making deep conditioners because the kids don't like it when I use it on their hair on its own. Even if I'm using it on the kids' hair, I'm using it mostly to make like hot oil treatment. So I will put the oil into a different container, warm it up a little bit, not warm it up like in the microwave, but I will have a hot water, and then I will put the oil into the hot water, let it warm up a little bit, and I will use this to massage the kids hair. I focus more on the scalp, and also at the end of the hair I will massage it, and then take a plastic bag, kind of like really soak the hair, the ends, with the oil, and I let them sit underneath this heat cap. It's like a heat cap that I purchased. If you guys have watched some of my deep conditioner videos with my daughter, I've shown you guys those cap. Like she will sit down and put the cap on and allow it for a couple of minutes. And so yeah, so I do that a lot when I'm using the onions oil that I DIY. So now I've had everything in. I'm just going to mix it, mix it. This is really good conditioner actually. It's really good deep conditioners for those days that you don't feel like making some DIY blending, washing blender. This is a simple one. So this is what I'm going to be using for my daughter's hair. She is really excited because she's now like really growing little by little. She's getting used to the natural hair, DIY natural hair, doing her hair. I still have issues with the washing of the hair. The reasons why I didn't show the process of me washing her hair, because she's still in that stage that she doesn't want water to touch her face. Even when it comes to taking shower, like I literally cannot understand how the hell do you want to take shower but you don't want water to touch your face. How can you wash your hair without the water touching your face? Like I just don't get it. So I still struggle with washing this girl's hair. Even when it comes to taking shower in the morning, it's still a struggle. So reasons why for me, I'm like, I don't feel like I'm going to be showing any video of me washing this girl's hair on YouTube, because it's going to be a struggle one. And maybe I will put a little clip here to show you guys when I'm washing the hair. She has to stand like facing me. It's like a struggle. It's a whole struggle when it comes to me washing my daughter's hair. It's struggle. Even taking shower, it's a different struggles. I don't know why kids are like that, but yeah, I'm sure she's not the only one, because I mentioned this in one of my videos and I had so much comments of mothers who are like, oh my God, my kid is the same. I thought I was the only one. Trust me. Sometimes when you feel like you're in a situation, you're the only one dealing with it. Just share your story, and then you will realize that you are not the only one in the struggle. A lot of people face the same thing, and this is what her hair is looking like since I cut the hair. Her hair has grown so much, and all thanks to the DIY stuff, my DIY hair growth sprays. Those has been amazing. Like those hair growth sprays are amazing, not only because of the hair growth, but also it stops the excess shedding. The hair doesn't really shed a lot, and the hair is much more stronger. The hair feels so strong, and I love the fact that the hair is strong. It doesn't shed that much, and the hair feels really, really moisturized. It's just amazing, I'm just happy that I'm really using the things that I have in my kitchen instead of going around and buying a bunch of products that everyone talked about, because trust me, I was in that stage when I first started with this natural hair thing. If you are a OG to this channel, you know that there was a time back then I used to buy every single product that some of my favorite YouTubers recommend to me. Even if I couldn't find those products in the Netherlands, I will buy them from America and I would let them shipping. I will pay for shipping costs and all of those things. But now I'm in the stage, you know what? Just use what you have and DIY the rest. And also I'm into herbs now. I'm really trying different type of herbs because I feel like those are also really powerful ingredients. Herbs have some really good health benefits when it comes to your hair, drinking it as a tea, using it. It's just an amazing stuff. So I'm really into that now. I don't really purchase a lot of hair products. The only hair product that I purchase now, it's like conditioner, deep conditioner, because yeah, I sometimes need it at home for those days that I don't feel like DIYing my own. So I use the deep conditioners that I have at home, and also the moisturizer. Right now, the moisturizer that I use on my hair and the kids' hair, I use shea butter and coconut oil, and I also use my Blue Magic. even though I have a lot of people saying that the Blue Magic product is not 100% natural, it doesn't have a natural ingredients. Most important thing, it works for me, it works for my hair, it works for my kids hair, it leaves the hair moisturized combined to other things that I'm using. So I'm kind of okay with it, I'm kind of okay with it, so I have no issue with it. So that's the only product that I actually buy now, the Blue Magic leave-in conditioners and some moisturizing conditioners that I use, like this one, and some hair mask that I use to the days I don't feel like doing DIY conditioner. So yeah, that's what I use on my hair, on my kids' hair. And I don't really buy a lot of products now. I tend to use what I have, and also tend to use what I have in my kitchen a lot. So now that I have put all the products into a hair, I'm really going to also focus on the edges, and that's one thing. My hairline is something else, but when it comes to my kids, I really don't do something to damage their hairlines. Like I'm really gentle, and I pay more attention to the kids' hair than my own hair, honestly speaking, because I know that I'm always cutting my hair. As right now I'm talking to you guys, I have a different look right now. I'm always cutting my hair off. And my hair grows really, really fast. My hair grows really, really thick. So I'm always cutting my hair off, doing something with my hair. So I don't really pay close attention to my hair like the way I do for my kids, because I know I'm always cutting my hair off. But even at that, I just don't use everything on my hair. I also kind of use the same product that I use on the kids' hair. I also use on my own hair, but just that I'm not like really 100% focused on my own hair like the way I'm focused on the kids' hair. So now that I've put all the conditioner, I'm going to wrap the hair with plastic bag, and then I put the shower cap on so she can go and sit down in the living room, do her own things. I leave this conditioner in. You can leave it in for as long as you want. This one was in for more than an hour because I was doing something else and she was watching a movie. And also I let her sit underneath the heating cap for at least 20 to 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. She sat underneath the heating cap, and then after that we took the cap out, and I just allow her to do her own thing, to just be playing, watching movie. And then when I was done doing what I was doing, that was when we came back to the bathroom to wash the hair, because washing the hair is a process. So I really wanted to do whatever I was doing before coming to wash the hair, because I know my clothes is going to soak. I'm going to be wet, because I just wanted to wash the hair, let her take shower, and then me to do my own stuff. So this was it. Hope you all like this video. Peace out.